Hello and welcome to That's Food and Barbecue. So I cold smoked some salmon today, and I figured I was going to make a salmon and flank steak sandwich. So tag along and I'll show you how to do that, and I'll tell you if it was good or not. Okay, so this is going to be fairly simple. I've got some canola oil, and I've got my seasoning that I made the other day: onion, garlic powder, pepper, salt, and paprika. I've got a piece of flank steak here. It's about a pound and a half. I'm just going to remove this little bit of fat here. I'll remove that. It's going to make my dogs happy. Other than that, it looks really good. I am going to cook this on my Weber q1200 today, just because I need to use it. And I'm bringing it up to temp, and then I'm just going to fry this about, of course I'm going to season it as well. I'm going to fry it for about a minute and a half on one side, flip it over, a minute and a half, flip it over, a minute and a half. You get a point. I'll show you as I go along. A little bit of oil. This is just to bind the spices to it. And I guess some people are going to say this is not the seasoning that you're supposed to use for this, so that's why I'm using it, just to show you that you can. Anyway, so I'm gonna bring that over to the grill. I'm gonna use a little skillet on there as well and fry up one onion, because I'm the only one that wants onion on my sandwich, I think. And then I'll bring you in closer and show you how to make the rest of this. The grill is at about 450, it's full speed ahead. We're just gonna put this on here, just like so. I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna put it in the back. And then I'm going to slice the onion and put the little skillet on. So a minute and a half from now. Okay, so it's been about 45 seconds. I'm going to put this little skillet on here. It's not going to work. I'm going to have to move this. A little bit reluctant to do that, but it's the way it's going to be. There we go, so I can close the lid. There we go. Okay, so it's been a minute and a half. Time to flip this over. And this is what we have. You don't really have to worry that this is not gonna cook through, because once I've fried it for 3 minutes on each side, I'm gonna slice it into strips, and then I'm gonna fry those on the grill grates that I have for this. You've probably seen this before. You connect them together. Anyway, I'm gonna bring you back once this is fried through. So it's been 3 minutes on each side. So time to take this off to slice it. And there we go. I'm gonna put the grill grates on here. So let's cut this into slices then. This is a little bit too rare for my family, but I could probably eat this. I would not go as far as say that this is not medium rare, this is rare. Oh well, it's gonna be good anyway. Okay, I'm gonna slice this up and I'll show you when it's time to continue cooking. So we're gonna start off by putting a couple of slices of meat on here. Fry that up. And while we're waiting for that to be finished up, I'm going to prepare a roll. There we go. Just going to flip this over. Let it cook just a little bit longer. Gonna need a little bit of oil on here. Now it's time to add the salmon to this. There we go. The salmon doesn't really need that much. This meat is looking ready. We're going to add a little bit of onion on top of that. Just like so. And then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. gonna add a little bit of cheddar cheese to this. Gonna flip the salmon over. This, oh, it's falling apart. These slices are a tiny bit too thin. If you're gonna do this, cut the salmon at a good thickness. I'm gonna close down here for a second. There we go. So we're gonna add a little bit of sweet baby rice on this. This is honey chipotle, just like so. A little dollop. And then we're gonna get the salmon on top, just like so. Then we're gonna get this whole mess on top of this bun. And then the top bun on. And there we go. Okay, there we go. Salmon and flanksteak roll, or what, I don't know, cheese sandwich. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try to get a bite out of both the salmon and the flanksteak at the same time. That was really good. Those flavors go well together, I must say. Yeah, I could definitely recommend that. Thank you for watching. Bye.